Hello guys, it's Up Shadow here and welcome back to another episode of Space Engineers. Today is the day of the cutoff. And I think we're gonna do it right now. Also, before I do that, I'm very much aware that the automaton beta is out right now, so I could be playing it. I hadn't had time yet. Was a bit of a busy time since they announced that for me, and I hope I get a little bit of time this week to, you know, play around with it. Although from what I've read, very interesting with the different command blocks and what they can do, what you can use them for. I think that's very nice. You know, for example, there's like one block that makes a thing follow you, and you could, for example, use that to create like a tiny little rover thing with just cargo containers on it, and then just have that come with you, like, I don't know, towards a mine, you know. I think that's like, you know, kind of like a shopping cart almost. But yeah, all right. How do we do this? I mean, I guess we'll cut these here back, and then we'll that, and I think we'll do this then, huh? All right. I know that. Also, by the way, you guys have suggested lots of good options on how to do this more gently, but honestly I'm kind of interested to see what happens when I just cut it. To be fair, the distance, if you look at it, it's not that big. It's like 2 player heights, kinda. It's like 5 meters, 4 to 5 meters, something like that. So that shouldn't be too much. The only like wild card is I'm not quite sure what's gonna happen to the ship. We could undock it, I suppose. Well, let's just do it. Let's just do it. All right, 3, 2, 1. The fuck? Where is the earth-shattering kaboom? Hold on. Is it connected somewhere still? Huh? I has a confuse. Also, why is this red? Oh, because it's deactivated. Yeah, that's right. What the fuck? It's not connected to anything, is it? Is the ship holding it up? No, the ship doesn't... No, the thrusters are turned off. It's not like the ship holding it up. The fuck? My fucking vehicle is possessed! What the shit? Can I drive it away? What? Is it... It's kind of funny, not gonna lie. Not the outcome that I wanted, but okay. Let's see. So I can drive it. Wait. It says station. Oh. Is it because it still thinks that it is a station? Is that what it is? Hold on. Where is it? Under it. Yeah, okay, it still thinks it's a station, therefore it hasn't... Yeah, so that means if I hit this button, it's gonna do it. Alright, here goes nothing. Oh. Oh! That was smooth. That was quite smooth, not gonna lie. Alright. Hold on. Where is the hole? Let me just... Okay, if we give full speed, then we have about 2 hours of energy. If we engage the parking brakes, we actually are gaining energy still, apparently. Not very fast, mind you, but we do gain energy. Okay, that's good. Technically, we could now launch the next drill operation because we're completely in the, you know, in a new spot again. That's nice. Okay. Didn't do any damage to here, so that was all well and good. Ooh, look at the giant tire tracks. I love it. Okay. So I'd say it's time to test this thingy then. So this is now how we can test if this works. So let me get a... Just so it's a bit more, you know, convenient to do. We'll put a seat here, actually. Add that to the build planner. Oh, and also we need, yeah. Nah, actually this one is complete. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. Let's see if I can get all the construction components. We might have construction components in this bad boy over here. Indeed do. Okay. Oh, shit. That was a nice ragdoll. Oh yeah, I still haven't put lights up here. Oh, one thing after another. Oh! Yeah, I forgot to hit the Z key. Well, 3 times the charm. There you go. Already, like, christened my vehicle with dead bodies. That's a good start. Okay, let me get all of that. There you go. Right. Let me put that thingy here. Okay. Hinge. Okay, so that hinge is actually not doing what it's supposed to do anyway. Hold on. Hinge. Oh, these are thruster hinges. Wait. Oh, I think I know what I did. Okay, hold on. Test. Okay, there it is. Alright, alright, alright. Moving, moving, moving. Ooh! Heyo, it works! It's not pretty, but it works. Now we could, I suppose what we could do is, let's see, that mag plate here. We'll do the switch lock here, and then we go to mag plates. Well, this one. This is the turbine mag plate. Yes. Well, you auto lock is off. If you wait. Okay, I got the wrong one down here. Oh yeah, that's mag plates. Yeah, yeah. Turbine mag plate. There it is. Switch lock. Oh, okay. See, that's kind of what I expected to happen. Now, this is where we'll have to tinker with the wheel height, right? So, do we have all the wheels? No, we don't have them. Oh shit, I pressed the J key, I think. Yeah, I did. Let's group all the wheels in a group. That's what groups are for. Wheels. Save. Okay. Now, first, let me go. And we'll... There we go. Strength. We'll pull out the strength a little bit. So now, as you can see, the wheels are now carrying the thing. Because this is the only wheel we actually reduced in height. Right? So there we go. Now we have this. Well, we have a bit of a remnant here of what we had. Yeah, now it's just a question of experimenting a little bit on how this is actually gonna work. You know, how we can... What's the minimal height we can get away with, essentially, is what we're looking at. Jesus Christ, do we really have no construction components? Like, none at all? That's crazy. That goes in here, please. Wow, I can like put nothing in here because there's like 35k gravel in here. What the hell? Okay. There we go. All components withdrawn. Well, I won't be able to just put that here, right? Because right now we do not have the right amount of spacing here. So I'll have to turn it back up. So then we'll slap that mag plate on. Oh. And get our welder back. There we go. So now, let me put it down. So right now you can see it's not ready to lock because it's actually not close enough to the ground. So that is not enough height. I'm actually gonna weld that frickin' the first block as well, just in case it decides to completely disintegrate. Better be safe than sorry. Okay, so now that means we're gonna take our wheels here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna play with the height offset. Boom, there we go. So let's that's in centimeters, is it? I'm gonna go with the... Oh, actually, I have to go in the other direction. Further, 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 a little bit more. Oh wait, it's still auto-locking. It's still auto-locking. I grabbed the wrong thingy, I think. I think plate 2. Oh yeah, yeah, right. I forgot. I rebuilt it, of course. Mag 2. There it is. Schlock. Woo! Little bounce there. That was chirpy. Okay, let's do that again. So right now it is. Let me just move that a little bit. So like, height offset. There it is. So like this, we should actually see the thingy. When it goes yellow, we can connect. There. 24, 23. Let's go to 23.0. It can connect on 23.0. Let's go to 22.5. Can still connect on 22.5. Let's go. We'll do this literally in steps like that. Oh! Okay, let's just see if it can consistently... Okay. Ready to lock. Boom! Power achieved. How cool is that? Huh? How amazing is that? And there is enough, like, variance here for it to not clash with the ground. Supposedly, I say. Lovely! Now that should help the batteries out a little bit at least, right? Look at it. I think it was from 10 days down to 1. So, this obviously works. That's lovely. Good. Which means we can now technically replicate this at least 4 times. Now, what I'm also wondering if I should now start up the drills again. Let's see, how much power do the... God. Oh, I'm pressing the wrong button, that's why. How much power do the drills consume if they run? Not very much. It's gonna be the refineries that are consuming all the power. I mean... we just... let's see... piston... do we just frickin' go? What do you reckon? Frickin' go, right? Off to another drilling adventure. Is it too fast? You reckon it's too fast? Its velocity 0.1. No, it's even a half. No, I think that should be fine. It looks like it's absolutely fine. It's trucking on like a beast now. Oh shit, but it's filling up really quick. Okay, I'm gonna reverse it in a second here. Okay, let's reverse it. Now it has energy for 5 hours. Okay. So if we're busy with refining and everything, just refining, or are we actually producing something right now? Let me see, production. We are actually producing. So this is with production and refinement and drilling going on. We have a 5-hour pool of energy right now. But that makes me optimistic. You know, if we get 3 more turbines up, I feel we could really get ourselves the necessary... Wow, that was a weird noise there. We could ourselves get the necessary energy production. I'm gonna turn off the drills now. There we go. Right. So let's get to it then, I would say. I'm very happy. Right now I don't see a necessity to, you know, connect our thing to the grid. Because in 5 hours we can knock out a few turbines, I reckon. So that's what we're gonna do. Let me just grab that. I just want to, like, you know, get these welded up before we do anything else, because otherwise it's gonna frickin' be ugly. Do we? Yeah, we'll grind these down, get the parts back. Alright. We'll get a little bit of steel out of this as well, which is neat. Ouch. We might still put up like a connector at some point in the future, you know, at least to transfer maybe some materials. But right now, I think we're pretty good. Oh shit, it did make 1,000 construction components. I'm actually kind of surprised. Right. Let's make this bad boy complete. I mean, this might not be the final design of the turbines. There might be something added to it later. Maybe I'm gonna later add a, you know, like a decoy to it as a lightning rod. But we'll see. So, where's the next hinge gonna go? Let us see. At least at the back, it's gonna be, like, on the same page. So from this line, 1, 2, 3, the 4th over from here. 1, 2, 3, there. That's where it's gonna go. Then, we'll need more materials before we can continue. But I'm happy. Nothing happened. Nothing broke. It was a bit weird when it at first didn't disconnect. That was a bit spooky. But other than that, it's fine. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in total. And 1, 2, 3. Basically 3 down and the rest up. Oh, 1, 2. Oh! Well, that wasn't quite planned, but it's fine. 1, 2, 3, 4. There. Right, yeah. And then a turbine on top of that sucker. Which we need interior plates for, obviously. We just have a bunch more. Just a few, but we do have some. There. Okay. We'll probably need to weld the hinge first, most likely, because we need to move it around a little bit so that The rest, the magnetic plate can be stuck on. So, let me just try and get both these parts into the building planner. Oink. I mean, soon enough, we might just live off of our ship. Who knows? Our vehicle, I mean. There we go. Okay, now we just need to kind of, you know, let's see, hinge. So we're gonna rename these. We have to get a naming scheme here. So this is gonna be turbine hinge, right? And then they're both gonna be in the same way. Actually, that's fine. The limits are fine, I think. 3 rounds per... Did we like leave everything on standard, pretty much? I think so. I think we did just 3 RPM, pretty much. There, that goes in this direction. Which means now we can slap on the mag plate. Oh, okay. No. Actually, yeah, I just realized it's not quite standard. It's... there we go. The lower limit has to be set at 0. There, that's better. Okay, cool. I'll just weld that sucker. Good. We'll have to configure that as well. This one we don't really have to configure. They just work automatically, which is neat. 5 interior plates not withdrawn. Oh man. Do we have some in here? Yes, indeed we do. Awesome. I mean, the better our energy consumption is gonna, or our energy production is gonna be, the more insane this is gonna work, you know. Okay, so the mag plate. Oh god. So this is locked, unlocked, locked, unlocked. Oh god. Jesus. Oh, okay, I can figure it out like that. So this is, well, actually, let me actually rename these. That makes it a bit more easier. That is ship, landing gear. There we go. So now we know which one are which. And then these are turbine mag plate. Ooh, sorry, my headset is running out of juice. Need to kind of connect it real quick. So sorry. There we go. Forgot to plug it in overnight, obviously. Okay, turbine mag plate. So, auto lock needs to be off. I think use for parking needs to be off as well. Yeah, that makes sense to me. Okay. Now that means the other hinge can be reversed. This one. And now mag plates. This one is unlocked, so we'll lock it. Ooh, is that not getting close enough? Okay, so maybe we just... Okay, maybe we haven't quite met the correct height, but it is also just allows us to group a few things right now. So let's see. So the turbine mag plates, these will obviously be in a group. Turbine locking mechanism. Save. And then turbine hinges. Save. Okay. And now let's instead of having this on here, we'll have the groups on here. So we have the turbine hinges, reverse, switch lock. I think I'm not gonna try it right now, but the only thing I'm not supposed to do is to activate the hinges when the locking mechanism is, you know, not good. Okay, so apparently... Oh! Now they're both ready to lock. That's weird. Okay. Here we go. Ah, see? Now we're on 1 day. Although, I have the feeling we're not refining anymore at this point. We are still refining. Are we producing? We are producing. Okay, so we have just increased our power input, or our power draw, from, what was it? I think 4 or 5 hours to 1 day. Which means if we get 2 more of these bad boys, I have the good feeling that we are absolutely fine when it comes to power draw. I feel confident. That's nice. That's very nice. Also, the fact that it works so well is quite comforting. Just gonna weld these just in case, so that they're secure. Then I'm also gonna, let's see, it's 1, 2, 3 away from these. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wait, this? Makes sense? Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. Just gonna replicate this, you know, just so we have like a little bit of a design going with these turbines. All right, going to the front. Now at the front, we might be able to have this on the same line here, actually. Here. And here. Right? And we're gonna... I think we're gonna weld these immediately. If we can do that, would be nice. Okay, I also need to top off my oxygen, obviously. Just realized. Let me get up here real quick. Whoop! Nice. Alright, let us put everything in here. And we need steel tubes, so I have to go to the normal hordes that we have, because that's not stuff we have in here, obviously. I hope we still have it back there, to be honest. Let's see. Large steel tubes and computers? Oh, I cannot withdraw all because of restrictions to my inventory. Nice, first one done. Alright, just a little bit more. But yeah, this is fantastic. The fact that these work just like intended, that's such a relief. Because otherwise we would have to scramble for fricking, for a connection here, you know? That would be annoying. So, good. Let's replicate the rest. 3 down, and the rest up. Also mag plates. Let's put them on immediately. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we'll put the turbines on later. When 1, 2, 3, 4, when everything is up. Okay, cool. Yes, more steel plates, please. Few more, at least. Feels really good now that this is working. You know, it makes me feel like this vehicle can truly function as an independent base, which is awesome. I think without the turbines, it would just not be a very feasible thing to do. Or you would have to go excessive on solar panels, and that is just annoying. So, components withdrawn, right? Weld and weld. Okay, I'm also gonna cut the seat that we had back here because we don't need it anymore. Instead, it's now gonna be controlled on top here. So, Let me see. So this, at the moment, this is here. This might move around to another, you know, to another station. But we can also control it from here, I suppose. Right. Turbines. So the turbine hinges will have. Well, let's do the mag plates first. Oh yeah, groups. Switch lock and reverse. So we'll unlock them now. So now the turbines should turn off, yes? Are they still? Hold on. No, they're slowing down. Okay, good. Right? Yeah, they have slowed down. I just wanted to say. Wind clearance optimal. Yeah. Okay, they have slowed down. Good. I was just not sure they did what they supposed to do. Good. The two other magnetic plates. Let's name them accordingly and switch these off. Locking mechanism. Oh, yeah, hold on. Turbine. There we go. Turbine hinges. Locking mechanism. There it is. Add these two to the group. Check. Good. Now, need the hinges. Have hinge 3 and 4. Just, let's see. Normally it's lower limit, but sometimes due to weird placement, sometimes it's the other limit that you need to set. Now we're gonna set, well, we can actually both set them to velocity 3. Yeah, there we go. With them, it's the other way around. So it has to be upper limit 0, lower limit 90. Well, minus 90, that is. There we go. And then we reverse. Yeah, that works. Okay, cool. So these two can now become turbine hinges. Adding them to the group. Yeah, safe. And now. Oh, that's so cool. Ah, okay. See, there's one that's not locking. It's not, the locking is not consistent yet, so we have to decrease our wheels height offset. At the moment we are at 22 centimeters. Let's go to 23. It's 0.23, I think. Right? We have 3 that are locking at the moment. Maybe 0.24, perhaps? Or let's try 235. That seems to work. Think, yeah. Okay. Let us, yeah, okay, they still move without trouble. Locked. Everyone is locked. Turbines turning on. Good. Excellent. Oh, this is such a joy to visually observe this working. Oh, I'm happy. Okay, let's do turbines then. Let's do the turbines. Boom. And boom. There they are. Need a few more components and then we're done. Actually, let me dump all of that in here. I'm not going to be able to get the girders. I have to head over here. Excellent. I'm quite confident that with 4 turbines, this thing is going to actually run quite nicely. And we still have the option for more, you know? Boom. 4 turbines. Okie dokie. Let's do this then here as well. 1, 2, 3, 4 back. 1, 2, 3, 4 over here. Ah, yes. Maybe this is gonna do it this way. These decorations. Maybe I'm gonna change them. I'm not quite sure yet. This is just a temporary thing. But, you know. It's okay. Looks decent enough. For now. We don't have to weld them. Whatever. Not yet, at least. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh. Is that correct? Didn't look that close to the edge on the other one. Oh, it is. Okay. Cool. Let's observe our energy production and figure out if we're doing all right or not. Okay. Right now, we are definitely getting all the energy. So let's send down the drill again and see if anything changes. Isn't it cool when things like that just work in Space Engineers? Oh, okay, we're getting fluctuations now. Understandable, but 2 days. Okay, 2 days to 1 day, I would say. But that's still pretty fantastic, I would reckon. How are we doing on space, actually? Why is nothing in here? Is it getting pulled out too fast? What the hell? I think it's getting pulled out very fast at the moment. Now it starts to fill up slowly. Look at that. Isn't it a beauty? And as soon as we have both refineries up with modules and everything, I might even put energy saving modules on these particular ones so we have more self-sufficiency. I mean, look at that. Look at that. It's just going. It's just away. That's so lovely. Ah. I'm over the moon. Oh, look at that. Pretty much a million ton. A million ton? That's not right. 1,000 ton. 1,000 ton. Which is, I think, a million kilogram? I can't do math. Right. It's time to turn it off. Otherwise it will overflow. Let's reverse that. And then put that back on. Cool. I am so happy right now. This is amazing. Okay. So drilling works absolutely fine by just letting it down at that speed. It has no problem churning through the material. Energy consumption seems stable. And yeah. Fully recharged in -2 days. That means fully depleted is what you want to say, yes? Right? Well, actually it has more input than output at the moment. Not much, but it does. Kind of funny. Okay. But yeah. That's pretty neat. I think next time that means we're gonna have to start focusing on a lot of small details next time, you know? Now that the energy consumption is basically done for, we can start welding a lot of stuff on this ship, actually, you know? Doing maybe the second production row, getting that in order so we can consume materials faster. Then perhaps getting the modules on, and all the while we do this, every once in a while we can just pack up, move a little bit, drill down again. And I'm actually kind of wanting to get into this area over here so we don't have like an abundance of ice. Although it seems like we're not having like an extreme abundance of ice. However, hold on. Okay, yeah, see, the hydrogen tank is like filled 10%. So it's not like we are having so much ice we cannot, you know, get rid of it anymore. But eventually, I kind of want to get into this part over there. And maybe even get to the, you know, the metal, the iron. So yeah, that's it for today. Goal accomplished. And yeah, I hope to see you guys next time. And take care.